To hide an Instagram story from all followers, you need to understand how the platform's story settings work. Instagram allows users to control who sees their stories by using the close friends feature or by hiding stories from specific people. First, open the Instagram app and navigate to the story section. Tap the camera icon at the top left corner to begin creating a new story. Before posting your story, tap the link that says Send to at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see the option to share your story with your close friends list or with specific people. However, if you want to hide your story from all followers, you will need to use the Hide Story From option. To do this, go to your Instagram profile and tap the three lines at the top right corner. Then tap Settings. Scroll down to the Privacy section and select Story. In the Story Controls section, you will see the option to hide story from. Tap this option and start typing the names of the people you want to hide your story from. Since you want to hide your story from all followers, you will need to add every single one of your followers to this list. However, this can be time-consuming if you have a large following. A more practical approach would be to use the Close Friends feature to share your story with a select group of people. To do this, go to your profile and tap the three lines at the top right corner. Then tap Close Friends. Here, you can add the people you want to share your story with. When you post a new story, you can choose to share it with your close friends list instead of your entire followers list. Another option is to create a separate account for personal stories that you only want to share with a select group of people. This way, you can control who sees your stories without having to hide them from individual followers. Best practices for hiding Instagram stories include being mindful of your followers' feelings and being consistent in your story settings. It is also essential to review your story settings regularly to ensure that your stories are being seen by the right people. In conclusion, hiding an Instagram story from all followers requires some effort and planning. By using the Close Friends feature, the Hide Story From option, or creating a separate account, you can control who sees your stories and maintain your online privacy.